you when you know that you're going to represent your state in national level?
Excited, fun.
Fun? You?
I will do our best.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.
My first question would be is that what do you think about the standard of this national level competition?
Well, I think it's very good that we are having it now in UiTM Permatang Pauh, which is one of the leading universities in Malaysia. And I think that it's very good that we have this sort of environment where we can tell the kids that, okay, it's very good to be in this competition.
Acquire throughout the competition when you were participating and while you were practicing?
I acquired some skills which are creativity for the impromptu, the second section, which you have to create a story based on a phrase that you have to choose. So yeah, I learned.
Before we end our session, is there anything you would love to say to your parents, to your teacher for having to support you until this level?
Okay, I would like to thank my school and especially my teachers, which is Puan Kang and Miss Chong Wei, because they teaching me from the school to zone and to state. And also, I don't forget my mommy. She helps me a lot.
first question now. What do you think about the standard of the national level competition this year compared to other years or the years before?
Okay, since this is my first year entering national level competition, I think the standard is quite high for us, especially for the poetry recitation contest, since everything have to be genuine.
So before we finish this, would you like to say a few words of encouragement to the participants and your students as well?
Okay, I wish everybody the very best of luck, and I know everyone has put in a lot of effort. I'd like to congratulate the teachers who have trained all the students well, and the students who have prepared themselves so very well for this national level competition. And whatever happens, you are already the best in Malaysia, so keep up with the good work.